Hello and welcome to my channel, Matthew Hemway. This is Matthew Hemway. I am good. Hope you are. Have I got a video for you today? In this video, we're reviewing the analysis She-Hulk, Attorney-at-Law, Season 1, Episode 2 that is currently on Disney Plus, done by Marvel Studios. I'll cover several topics in this video. I'll let you know my rating at the end of this video. Now on review. It has the Disney Plus symbol, the Marvel Studios logo. You see Jane Foster's Thor, and the viewer looks very closely to it. It ends with Miss Marvel at the end. That was cool to see if you want my honest opinion on it. The recap happens before we see the logo where Jennifer Walters tells the story that she is a Hulk and that she never has to be a Hulk. If you saw my last video, my review, I would have asked you what happened at the end of the episode. The recap shows Jennifer Walters becoming a Hulk and defeating Tatiana, who was doing a flying sidekick toward her. The scene was put in the trailer for She-Hulk Attorney-at-Law Season 1. Is a flying sidekick a realistic move? The answer is yes. It is when I have tested for my black belts. I was asked to do a flying sidekick. I'll show you a clip from a demo that I've done to show you it is a realistic move. Remember, I told you that I am a 4th-degree black belt in Taekwondo. Here is the clip. Is when you do a flying sidekick, the person must jump in the air, bend their knee in, and jump in the air to hit his or her target. This is what Tatiana is doing. I am showing you a clip from a demo that I have done. It is possible to do that by what you see here from the clip I am showing you. The news is reported on Jennifer Walters stopping Tatiana from hitting the people in the courtroom. She stops her when she punches her. That is realistic to do. If you hit the person in the right place, it will be no different than a block that hit my body. I will show you. If I do an inside block like this, it is more likely I can stop it. If I punch in the right place, then I can stop it. It would be hard, but possible. The man called her a Chick-Hulk. The reporter called Jennifer Walters a She-Hulk. Later, Jennifer Walters is at a bar when her paralegal tells her to turn into She-Hulk. The bar's name is Legal Case and has the scales of justice. You can see those scales of justice on any courthouse you may go to in America. I know they're here in my county, Mecklenburg County. Jennifer, like Kamala Khan, thinks She-Hulk is a dumb name, like Kamala thought Nightlight was a dumb name. Yes, it reminds me of that. Kamala wanted to change her name from Nightlight. As was shown in that series, already named her Nightlight, and I would have pointed that out to you in those reviews. As Jennifer says, I can't be anything but a derivative of the Hulk being called She-Hulk, obviously. I will leave a link in those reviews for you to watch if you are watching this video on YouTube, which I mean the Miss Marvel series. If it is on Patreon, it will be in the link below in the description of this video. Jennifer gets fired from her boss. The DA is telling her that she's a liability. He told her it was not wrong for her to protect the jury, but he was afraid it would have caused favoritism toward them and the people would wonder if justice was being served. Jennifer must deal with her family later. Jennifer was with her family later. Her friend Nikki, who is her paralegal, told her she cannot come with her as she has a date, and she's also her best friend, as was mentioned in the last episode, when Bruce asked who's your best friend. Nikki, wrong, spandex, as Bruce would have told her. Chet, who works at Best Buy, who is a manager, told her, you got fired. Her father told him not to say that. Chet is not the sharpest knife in the drawer. Or attack, or anything like that you want to think of. Anything that's sharp. Her father wonders what happens to Hawkeye's arrows when he shoots them. To him, it would be crazy to leave them around for everyone to pick up. I would agree, but some of them are explosive arrows. There was an arrow that was shown in the Hawkeye series that can shrink and expand depending upon the situation. I will have told you in my Hawkeye reviews, as I will leave a link to a description to those videos in the description below. Jennifer gets hired by Holden Holloway to head up a new division of superhumans. Jennifer gets hired by GLKNH Law Firm. That was the same attorney that was on the other side of the courtroom when Tatiana attacked the courtroom. As he told Jennifer, you had a winning case against us before I filed a mistrial. Jennifer says to him in the bar, you got me fired, you want to hire me. Holden Holloway says, that is correct. Jennifer says yes to his offer. Holden tells her, you start Monday. Holden won the She-Hulk to head the division of superhero that was shown in the trailer, which is a new division of law in that firm, obviously. Jennifer turns into the She-Hulk, and like the last episode, she breaks the fourth wall like Deadpool has done, and Raphael from the 1987-1996 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles TV series that I mentioned in my last review of this series. Jennifer is asked to represent Abomination. who tried to kill the Hulk in the Incredible Hulk movie. She goes to the president and you see the DODC symbol, which is the Department of Damage Control, which was in the last series that Marvel has done. DODC, which is the Department of Damage Control, was in the Miss Marvel series. It is not to reveal any more, and nothing more will be revealed here. It does bring the viewer to the climax of this episode. What happens at the end of the episode? If you know the answer, please leave your answer in the comment section below. I would be extremely interested to see what you had to say. Thank you. I give She-Hulk Attorney-at-Law Season 1, Episode 2 a 10 out of 10. It was fun and does an excellent job mixing legal drama, comedy, and superhero with this series. It mentioned something that is being talked about right now. Jennifer said, I did not rack up 6 figures in debts and student loans to become a vigilante, a superhero. The student loan issue is being talked about right now. People are saying, by offering debt forgiveness, they're getting a handout. When people have worked as hard as they can to get where they are, these people need a break, and you cannot claim they have not worked hard at where they are. Jennifer works hard and does not look for the easy answer. This makes her a character to root for. She is funny in how she talks to the audience, and this is fun to watch. Please check out my website, www.matthewrevere.com, to check out my blog. Please check out my Patreon page to help support the channel. Please sign up for YouTube memberships if you're watching this video on YouTube. Your support would be appreciated. I'll give you a shout out in the credits if you're helping to support the channel. Thank you. You also consider purchasing Super Chat or Super Fang stickers. Those will help to support the channel as well if you're interested in doing it that way instead. Please check out my Miss Marvel reviews by watching this playlist coming up right now. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Please hit the notification bell so you never miss a video on this video. Please let me know what you'd like me to cover down the road in the comment section below. Please share this video with anyone you know. Thank you for watching.